Welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the prelims level of MCQ series, that is plums. So today is episode number 237 and we are going to deal with CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning related MCQs. In the same way, different subjects will be dealt at 9 p.m. daily as part of plum series. So, and there are lots of free content which is already there in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel. You will get access to this once you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. And you can save this number 7200681675 and WhatsApp UPSC free to this number so that you will get foundational videos access and also information related to test series and other things of the UPSC and also about the Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So now let's start the video. So the first question is, if x is a positive integer such that 2x plus 12 is perfectly divisible by x, then the number of possible values of x is. So in the question they have given that 2x plus 12 is perfectly divisible by x. So if it is the case, then 12 must be divisible by x, right? So the possible values of x can be, so 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12. So these are the numbers which divides 12. So x values can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we have to take, if x is equal to 1, if you substitute 1 in the place of 2x plus 2x plus 12, you will get it as 2 into 1 plus 12, that is 14. And 14 is divisible by 1. So, 1 value is possible. And if you take x value as 2 and substitute it in the 2x plus 12, you will get it as 2 into 2 plus 12, that is 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. And 16 is divisible by 2 and 2 can also be the value. And if x is equal to 3, if you substitute in it, 2 into 3 plus 12 is equal to 18 and 18 is also divisible by 3. And if x is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 12 is 20 and it is also divisible by 4. And if x is equal to 6, 2 into 6 plus 12 is nothing but 24. 24 is also divisible by 6. And the other value which we have taken is x is equal to 12. 2 into 12 plus 12 is equal to 36. 12 to the 24 plus 12 is 36. It is also divisible by, it is also divisible by 12. So number of values are all the values which we have taken are possible values only. So we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we have taken 6 numbers. So 6 possible values are there. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's solve second question of today. An outgoing batch of students wants to construct an auditorium worth rupees 42 lakhs for their college if the teachers offer to pay 50% more than the student's contribution and an external benefactor gave 3 times the teacher's contribution. How much would the teachers donate? So if the students, let's assume that the student's contribution is, let's assume that the student's contribution is x, okay, and the teacher contribution is 50% more than the student. So if the x plus 50% more is nothing but 1 by 2x. It's nothing but teacher's contribution is nothing but 3x by 2. Okay, and then external benefactor contributed 3 times the teacher contribution. So external benefactor is 3 into 3x by 2, that is 9x by 2. So the total contribution is x, 3x by 2 and 9x by 2. We have to sum up all of these 3. Okay. So what we have taken, x is the student's contribution, 3x by 2 is the teacher's contribution and the external person contribution is 9x by 2. If you solve it, 9x plus 3 is nothing but 12x. 12x by 2 is nothing but 6x. 6x plus 7 is x is 7x. So total contribution is 7x. As per the question, this 7x is nothing but 42 lakhs, right? Okay, if you solve this question, 7 1s are 7 6 are 42. So you have got the final answer. The x value is 6 lakhs. So hence the teacher contribution should be 3x by 2, right? If you substitute x value in this, you will get it as 18 lakhs by 2, that is 9 lakhs. So 9 lakhs is the correct answer. That is option number 1 is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. The cost of the diamond varies directly as a square of its weight. While showing to the customer, this diamond broke into 4 pieces which weighs in the ratio 1:2:3:4. When the pieces were sold, the merchant got 70,000 less. Find the original price of the diamond. So let's take the original weight of the diamond as 10k. Why I am taking 10k is the ratio is in the form of 1:2:3:4. So if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you will get 10. So I am taking, let the original price of the diamond as 10k. Okay. And after breaking it into the pieces will weigh, first piece will weigh k, and the second piece will weigh 2k, third piece will weigh 3k, and fourth piece will weigh 4k, right? So the price of the diamond is directly proportional to the square of its weight, right? So the cost is nothing but, the original cost is nothing but, is equal to, let's take c as a constant, c as a constant, and weight square, weight is nothing but 10k, right? 10k whole square is nothing but 100k square. So the original cost of the diamond is c into some constant into 100k square. This is the original price of the diamond. And now let's take the new price. The new price is nothing but, let's take again the constant as c into, okay, the ratio is in the form of k is to 2k is to 3k is to 4k, right? So k square is nothing but, k, the first diamond, the first piece weight is nothing but k, so its square is nothing but its cost, okay, plus constant into the second piece weight is 2k whole square, and the third k is 3k whole square, and the fourth one is 4k whole square. If you add all of this, you will get it as 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is nothing but 30 and k square into some constant. This is the second price. After cutting into the pieces, the price value is 30k square into constant. The original price is 100k square into constant, okay? And the decrease in the price as per the question is 70,000. So the original price we got is 100k square into c, minus the second price you have got as 30k square into c, that is nothing but, as per the question, 70,000. So if you subtract 100 minus 30, you will get it as 70k square into c, that is nothing but 70,000, and 7 and 7 gets cancelled, 0 get cancelled, so 1000. K square c is nothing but 1000, and the k square c value you have got, and they are asking the original price. Original price is nothing but 100 into k square c. K square c value is nothing but 1000. 1000 into 100, it's nothing but 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. A bought 5 cars, 7 tractors and 4 buses. B bought 6 cars, 8 buses and 14 tractors for an amount which was half more than what A had paid. What percent of the total amount paid by A was paid for the car? So let's take the cost of car, tractor and bus as X, Y, Z, Y and Z, okay? In the initial case, A bought 5 cars, so 5 into X, okay? And the 7 tractors and 4 buses. So this is A's value, okay? And the second person has bought 6 cars, 8 buses and 14 tractors for the value 50% more than A. So 3 by 2A is the cost of the second person. If A is the cost of the first person, 3 by 2 A is the cost of the second person, okay? And if you compare these two equations, okay, if you compare these two equations, let's make the second equations in the form of A, okay? If you multiply 2, 6 to the 12, x by 3 plus, if you multiply 2 into 8, 16 y by 3 plus 14, that is 28 z by 3 is equal to A, okay? Let me write it once again neatly. The first equation is 5x plus 7y plus 4z, that is A. And the second equation, after solving, we have got it as 4x plus 16 by 3z plus 28 by 3y. It's equal to A. So if you compare this equation, you can equate these two equations because A is equal to A, right? So 5x plus 7y plus 4z is equal to 4x plus 28 by 3y plus 16 by 3z. Let me write it in the fresh page. Okay. 5x plus 7y plus 4z is equal to 4x plus 16 by 3z plus 28 by 3y. If you solve this, you will get it as 5x minus 4x is nothing but x is equal to 28 by 3y minus 7y. It's nothing but 7 by 3y. And if 16z by 3 minus 4z is nothing but 4 by 3z. Okay. Further, if you solve, 3x is equal to 7y plus 4z. So this is the final equation that you have got. So they have asked, finally they have asked us the percentage of the total amount paid by A was paid for the cars. So the number of cars they have bought, number of cars A bought is 5, right? So 5 cars, that is x, by total value of person A is 5x plus 7y plus 4z into 100. This is what we have to find. They have asked us a percentage, right? So 5x by, so if you solve, we have got the value of 3x as 7y plus 3z, right? So 7y plus 3z is nothing but 3x. So 5x plus 3x is nothing but 8x. Okay, if you further solve into 100, x and x gets cancelled, and 500 by 8 is nothing but 62.5%. So option B is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5, the final MCQ. Each odd digit in the number 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 8, 7 is substituted by the next higher digit, and each even digit is substituted by the previous lower digit, and the digits obtained are rearranged in the ascending order. Which of the following will be the third digit from the left after the arrangement? So they have given us 6, 1, 5, 4, 2, 7, 8. Okay. They have given the first condition is each even digit is substituted by the previous lower digit. Okay. And each odd digit is substituted with the next higher digit. So 6 is even, so we will get 6 minus 1. Sorry, 6 is even digit. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. If you rearrange it in the ascending order, you will get it as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You will get it as third digit from the left end is 3. So there is some wrong in the answer. So options are wrong. So option is actually 3. In the options, answer should be 3. So let's take option number E as 3. So option E is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have solved all the questions. So today's video is little bit typical. So re-watch this video and solve the questions on your own. And if you have done it, please comment done in the comment section. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.